everybody, welcome back to my channel. I'm Kimmy, and in today's video I've got an unboxing to do. So this is an order that I made a couple of weeks ago, so right, let's get into it and have a look what I got in there. Alright, so that's all up there. I might just move it over so that we can have a look at them individually. Alright, so I've got the bags like we normally get. Alright, so picked up two things at once. So we've got here is the Waterfall thin cuts. So that's there. I'm going to do a card making using this, so that we can make a card with that. Alright, and I've also got the Winter Penguins Stampin' Thin Cuts. So that's in there. So I got these because my youngest son absolutely loves penguins, and you know I've got to have it to make something with it because it's just so cute. Alright, so and I've also got the Asteroid Stickles. So can you see all the glitter and everything in there? Looks so cool. We'll have to do something on a page with that. What else have we got? Oh, this is, if I can get it out of the packet. This is Liquid Pearls, and it's the Rose Gold. Alright, next up we have, these are the Slimline Cards, and these are envelopes as well. Now apparently this is quite popular at the moment, Slimline Cards. So this is scored in the middle, but they measure at 3.5 by 8.5. So obviously you would fold this in half like this, and then you make your card. You can either have it this way or that way, and it also comes with envelopes. So yeah. Alright, so they're the Slimline cards. So maybe we'll make a penguin card. It's a Slimline card maybe. Alright, now so I've got some more catalogues. Now this here is the Stencil Pack. Bless my heart's brought out a lot of mixed media at the moment, so we can use the stencils with the distressed oxides. So we might have a play with those. They also can use them with the sprays. I don't actually have any of those to show you. I might pop a picture up so you can have a look at what I'm talking about. Alright, so let's just have a look at the stencils. So this was Stencil Pack number 2. There are 3 different stencil packs, but I picked number 2 for now. So I've got, these is like a honeycomb. Oh, keep dropping it. So that's pretty cool. And then we have this one. So we've got some lines here and some there, and there's diagonal ones. And then we have this one. So nice patterns. So we can make some patterns with those. Okay, and I also got the paper pack and sticker sheet for Sweet Safari. So let's have a quick look at this. So this is the sticker sheet. So it's I quite like the bright colours on there. There's Lagoon, and you've got Candy Apple, and just really nice bright colours. Alright, so let's have a look at the papers. We've got this one, so those ones, and then those. Oh, look at that zip strip. I really like that, and I like this one too. Yeah, that's really nice. And then the last 2 are all clouds and lots of different animals. There's a tiger, an elephant, a toucan, monkey. Kind of says little one, welcome. So you could use this one, I guess, for a baby, but I don't have any babies to do that with, so I'll be using them for something else. I might be using these for my son's Scouts adventures, because he loves all of those stuff. Alright, and lucky last is, just some cardstock. So I've got avocado, scarlet, bluebell, French vanilla, linen, sapphire, candy apple and espresso, because I was running a bit low on some cardstock. Alright, well, that is everything that I got in my order this time. Alright, so I'm going to leave the video here. If you haven't already done so, I'd really appreciate you hitting that subscribe button. Alright, don't forget to add a little bit of sparkle to your day. Okay, see ya!